Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing a piece of history, McIntosh's 70th anniversary valve power amp. This beautiful 150 watt valve power amp is designed to be not only a statement of McIntosh's history and quality, but also a pinnacle of engineering and sound quality. These limited edition pieces are renowned already worldwide, and I'm very, very lucky to be able to unbox and share this product with you today. So, let's have a look. Firstly, this box is extremely heavy, and like all of the very, very heavy amplifiers from McIntosh, they are strapped with steel bands. The boxing and other things like that, let's have a look. It's got model and serial number information on all sides. It's got a little bit of shipping information on one side, and a bit of warehouse gunk on the top. So opening these steel bands is relatively straightforward. You simply kind of, there's no easy way. Cut it open and then carefully discard it. The bands are designed obviously for two reasons. The main one being to hold this extremely heavy amplifier in its box with its freight, but the second of course is to give you something to hold on to when you're carrying it around. It's normally a two-person lift, so I'm going to give this a go. Now, the lid's nice and easy to come off. Okay, here we have it. And it reveals some of the attention to detail that McIntosh have for its packaging. All of its products are beautifully packed, and folding down sides reveals some of the elaborate closed-cell foam. There's a piece moulded for the top of the amplifier, and as we drill in, it's McIntosh's full and comprehensive user manual. We've got a New Zealand IEC power cord with a big nuggety plug. We've got McIntosh's tool key. Now, this is designed for you to be able to tighten up McIntosh's binding posts at the back without having to use a metal tool that might scratch or otherwise damage your investment. It's an excellent little tool, and there's a little hole here which means you can use this brilliantly as perhaps a keychain in the future. Now, the amplifier weighs something like 70 kilos in its box, and maybe 60 out. So it's going to be a challenge to get this anywhere near out of its packaging. So be patient with me as I try and work through it. I'll get to the box. Drag this back into place. So from here we've got a nice little extra ring of closed cell foam, and the next step I don't know. Let's see. So obviously rolling it forward enables you to remove the closed cell foam at the base and start to have a look at how big this amplifier is. Worth mentioning, it's clearly got a massive warning on the top. It relates to the foam. We'll see that as we drill in. Opening the oversized bag is relatively straightforward. It's sellotaped closed, and then it's a process of just sort of hopping the amplifier up enough to be able to scoop the bag underneath its feet. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, now inside the plastic bag we've got a desiccant bag to keep this product preserved and safe, and we start to be able to see this beautiful piece for the first time. So, we'll discard for a moment the warning. It's neatly in the tube frame here. Now we're going to need a screwdriver to undo these. So before I do, we're going to have a quick look at the rest of the amplifier. So the McIntosh front, we've got the ability to turn on and off the lights and change their colours. We've got the McIntosh logo which glows, and we've got a remote on and off. Looking at the side, you'll see how beautiful it is with carbon fibre base. This is, yes, it's to make it look beautiful, but secondly there are anti-resonant advantages to certain materials used in these amplifiers, and not only does it give a simple elegance to its design, but also reduces the potential resonance from a steel chassis. As I tip this forward for a moment, and please hang around for the photographs that you'll see close-ups of all of these elements, I just want to point out the autoformer output transformer, the main input transformer with the signature 70th anniversary labelling, and the second output transformer for the other channel. Taking the top off and removing the protective cage is relatively straightforward. There's two very simple, relatively short screws. And the cage slides off easily and reveals the foam protection for all of the tubes. There's that little bit of paper from the warning label. They use famous KT88 power output tubes, and there's a bank of 8. And again, please hang around for some photographs. I'll turn this amplifier on and light them all up. Looking, carefully put this on just while I'm mucking around a little bit with the unit. Again, hang around for some photographs. We'll show you this on, off, powered up and not. Okay, now spinning it around isn't that easy actually. It's very heavy and it's sunk into the carpet. Looking at the back of the amplifier, you get to see some of the feature sets of this amplifier. Firstly, its inputs. It's got a balanced and single-ended input for each channel, physically separated internally as you can see, with each of these inputs on the extreme left and right of the amplifier. The next section in is the single RCA input, control for the purposes of triggering or powering this on and off from a 12-volt trigger. Auto on-off, disabled and enabled, which probably should be enabled with this amplifier to ensure that you've got preserve the life of your power tubes. You've got an IEC power input, and then you've got a selector to switch between the unbalanced or RCA input and balanced. And of course, on the other side, the other RCA and balanced input. Above it, you've got McIntosh's classic and renowned binding posts. This is a feature set of the vast majority of their amplifiers nowadays, and it shows the negative or common, and then the 3 outputs, 2, 4 and 8 ohms, to allow you to tap the transformer for the appropriate impedance of your speaker, maximising the power and quality of the sound through those speakers. So, spinning this around, and as we look at the other side, obviously a match. Tilting it forward again, just to give you another look. And there we have this monster, this beautiful piece of McIntosh's history, the 70th anniversary Power Amplifier, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.